Hi, I'm Pam Heller, AccuQuilt's cutting expert. Quilters, summertime is studio time as we launch 6 new studio dies for use with the Studio 2 fabric cutter. These dies are really on point. You'll see what I mean, wink, wink. The new die release includes the exciting pineapple block on board, or as we like to call it, the bob die. It also includes setting triangles for on-point quilts in 5 finished block sizes. Let me show you more about these newcomers. First up is the Studio Pineapple Block Die. What's more on point than a pineapple? This popular traditional block is the same great die you love and go, only now it's bigger for the studio. It finishes now at a 12-inch block. Look how pretty that is. It's designed for easy piecing and includes step-by-step instructions. The Studio Pineapple Block cuts 2 complete, either 2-color, 3-color, even 4-color pineapple blocks in one pass through the cutter. To learn more about this die and see how it all comes together, watch the Studio Pineapple video. The next release is really 5 dies. The Studio Setting Triangles dies includes both the corner and the setting triangles, creating 5 sizes: a 6-inch, 8-inch, 9-inch, 10-inch, and a 12-inch finished on-point quilts. No math required and no need to buy 2 dies. Quilters, when quilt blocks are set on point like this, what happens is the straight of grain is often set at a diagonal. To stabilize the outer edge of the quilt, it's critical for setting triangles to be cut on the lengthwise grain, and so the straight of grain is what will be the 2 outside edges of the triangle. The math to cut setting triangles correctly can be really confusing, which makes creating on-point quilts somewhat intimidating for quilters of any skill level. For more in-depth information on these dies, watch the Studio Setting Triangles videos. All of our new studio dies are fat quarter friendly and a great way to bust up your stash. One of the great features of these dies is the specialized dog ear corners. Also, we've included that 1/4-inch seam allowance for accurate alignment and easy piecing. Of course, these dies are Studio 2 cutter friendly. This cutter is safe and easy to use. It reduces hand and arm strain that you might experience with other cutting methods. With your studio dies, you can cut up to, wait for it, 10 layers of quilting cotton in one pass through the cutter. We recommend the super long cut cutting plastic. You can purchase all of our new studio dies online at AccuQuilt.com. I'm Pam Heller, reminding you that AccuQuilt helps you cut time so you can quilt more.